Just before I go to item 3, item 5.1, no, 5.2, sorry, the tender contract for Mori Tipuki Pihanga Road intersection. I'm going to table that today because one of the submitters initiated this project is unable to be with us today, and he would like some speaking rights. So I'm going to table that one this afternoon to bring back for next month. And we have some late minutes for the Lake Taupo Protection Project Joint Committee, which I will approve before we go into the confidential section. Have I got that right, Shani? Please add them now. Okay, so I'd like to table, like to add to the resolution the receipt of the public Lake Taupo Protection Joint Committee minutes, 12th of March 2018. Could I remove it, please? And the confidential ones, yeah. Okay, so there's 2 lots of minutes. Public ones and confidential ones. Cool. A lot to this chairing, isn't it? Anyway, moved by Councillor Boddy and seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried. Okay, go to item 3.1. Is the confirmation of the ordinary council meeting on the 27th of February 2018. Are there any clarification or points, typos or any adjustments to those minutes? Councillor Boddy.
Just one matter, but before I bring it up, I had to go into webcam to check some words that were given on the 1st of February's council meeting. A lot of people aren't speaking into their microphones. The person you could hear the best was yourself, Your Worship. Others sit back from their microphones, and if I was a member of the audience trying to watch it, I'd be quite frustrated, and I'm probably as guilty as the rest. I just want to bring up on page 1 or page 4 of the agenda. It's to do with the trees that I think we mentioned at the last meeting, and it says staff will provide a verbal briefing to the Fences, Roading Reserve and Dogs Committee explaining the program of assessment. We had a recent meeting of that committee, but we didn't do that. Is that going to be in a forthcoming meeting? Can do. Okay. Just as noted in the minutes, it would be done. So maybe we could have it as an agenda item for the next dog committee meeting.
Okay, to the Fred committee.
Thank you.
Cool. All right. Any other points of clarification on those minutes? No. Okay. Could I have a move for those minutes? Moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Jollins. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. 3.2. The council meeting on the 1st of March 2018. Any matters arising from those minutes? For clarification of those minutes? No? I'd like to move these for those minutes. Thanks, Councillor Williamson, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Extraordinary meeting on the 3.3 on the 6th of March 2018. That was the extraordinary meeting. Oh, the adoption of the draft fees here. Moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried.